10:46 p.m. on a Monday. Tomorrow is my mocks from EP.3. It's not like our official mocks from the government, but it's basically mocks that are taken by every EP.3 student that are around in Korea. My friend, apparently she goes off early tomorrow. I have to stay until 10, but she apparently goes back home at like 5:30 or something, which is crazy because like what the hell. But tomorrow, since I got into the academy like in mid April, I did not have the chance or the time to be able to apply for this mocks. So instead I bought another mocks from my Mac, which is another company like EP.3. It's like online learning brand. I decided to finally like simplify my politics and law. This is chapter 16, as you guys can see. This was a whole crazy adventure. So cold. Maybe this was not the right jacket. I brought a windbreaker with me, but I don't think this is the right jacket for today. It's actually quite cold.
결정을 할 수도 있습니다. 다단계는 진동이 크고 실질적인 피해가 우려되는 단계로 대피할 정도의 지진이 발생한 경우입니다. 이 경우에는 책상 밑으로 잠시 대피한 후 진동이 멈추면 감독관 지시에 따라 교실 밖으로 대피합니다. 그러나 다단계라 하더라도 시험실 및 시험장 위치에 따라 피해 상황이 다를 수 있으니 책상 아래에서 대피하는 동안 시험 재개 결정을 할 수도 있습니다.
It's raining, so mom and dad picked me up from the academy. They're going to the garage and the parking lot, and I'm gonna go up by myself. And I have some packages to unbox. I have like 3 workbooks and a new keyboard that I was going to buy offline, but I decided against it because it was much cheaper. I mean, it wasn't cheaper, it was the same price, like literally the same, but it had like an extra leather case pouch thing. So guys, we're gonna unbox on the floor because I'm busy. First of all, this box right here. It's the keyboard. I've been waiting for this for like 2 days. Okay, 1 day. Look at this. I bought these, the pouch as well. This is the actual thing. There are a lot of stickers. It feels exactly the same as my old ones. My sister took them, so I guess I need it. They're my books from EP.3. I bought one in Math 1, Math 2 stats, and there's like a little workbook thing. And that's it. Eggs and smoked salmon and rice underneath. I don't know how long it's been since I've actually had like a freaking home food, like homemade meal. But yeah. Hi guys, my hair isn't dry yet, but that's not the point. Today is Sunday. I'm going to the academy. I'm not going to the academy on Sunday next week and the week after that either. So I'm just gonna go today. And Dad's driving me there, so I guess it's a good option. And also, I'm gonna go to the premium outlets later after. So I'm gonna end today's session like an hour early, an hour and like 10 minutes early, I think, 70 minutes earlier than I originally get out at like 6 p.m. So I'm getting out at 4:50, and we're gonna go to the premium outlets because I need new like t-shirts. You can tell my t-shirts are fuck, I can't even speak. My t-shirts are really random right now. I only collect Nike t-shirts for some reason because like I have both Adidas and Nike, but I feel like the outer coats Adidas is better, and for t-shirts Nike's much like prettier. It's a better fit for me personally. So we're gonna go and buy some Nike t-shirts. And right now I'm gonna go and I need to find my dad because he's driving the car up from the parking lot. And I caught a cold yet again. Fuck. Guys, it's the afternoon of Sunday. It's actually 8:23 p.m. already. It's the time where I tell you guys everything that I did this week. It's like weekly recap. It was really hectic, of course. I went to the academy today as well, as you guys probably saw from the clip before this. After that, I think I left at like 4:30 p.m. and I went to the premium outlets to get some new t-shirt. I got a Calvin Klein t-shirt, which was very spontaneous, but right here. I got this t-shirt right here. Cute. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow, but anyways, I tried going to Nike and Adidas, but there was nothing there, so I didn't buy anything. But yeah, today I went to the academy and studied for about 5 hours. So I'll show you guys the graph, of course. So basically I forgot to record on Monday, but I do know this was like 12 hours something. Tuesday was my mock, so I had time in between where I slept, so only like 9 hours. 12:35, 12:18, 11:41, 10:41, and today 5. Today was a day off, so yeah. In total this week, I think I studied for 1 hour and something, but yeah. No, it's just 61, so 73. And that's it for this week. My birthday is on May 3rd, which is right around the corner. It's literally next week. I'm probably gonna get a lot of good things to do and everything like that, so I'm kind of looking forward for it. And also, I'm going to go to the Han River on the 5th, so we're gonna do that. There's nothing else that I can remember on the top of my head right now, but yeah, I just need to go and edit the video that you're watching right now, and I have to wake up and do this whole thing again starting from Monday, so that's gonna be very no. Also, a little bit of an update on my current weight, because I was doing an unintentional weight loss journey because ever since I started going to the academy, I just cannot digest at all, and I cannot eat at all. Like, I just lost my appetite, and I was like, what a great way to actually go on a diet instead of like, actually trying to go on one. It's like an unintentional weight loss. So I started on the 11th, and today's the 28th, and I lost like 5.3 or something in kilograms. So I'll tell you guys, I'll update you guys in like exactly a month that I probably have been to the academy. But yeah, I'm gonna go and edit. Hope you guys have the greatest weekend. And I'll see you guys in my next video where I basically study for like 6 days and go to the Han River and have Korean fried chicken and ramen. So yeah, bye.